Special greetings, my dear students. Today we are going to learn about computational thinking. What is computational thinking? Computational thinking is a thought process teach us how to solve a complex problem in real world, either human or a computer. This computational thinking involves 5 main components, namely they are: first, analysis; second, decomposition; third, pattern recognition; fourth, abstraction; fifth, algorithm. These are the 5 main components for the computational thinking. Again, I am saying computational thinking is a thought process teaches us how to solve a complex problem in real world. Machines, computer, it solves based on reasoning skill. Computational thinking, it's not for only computer, it is for humans also, how we are going to solve a problem. Now in these 5 components, first, analysis. Let's see what is analysis. Analysis is a process understands what is a real problem and conditions what we have to do. Second, decomposition. Decomposition divide a problem into small part. This small part helps us to solve a problem in easy way. Third, pattern recognition. Pattern recognition is identify the similarity of our problem with another before previously solved problem. It helps us to predict how to solve, how the way to solve. Fourth, abstraction. Abstraction is a process filter all the unnecessary things and focus what is really what we have to solve. It avoid all the unnecessary things and it made us to focus on real what problem. Fifth, algorithm. Algorithm is a step-by-step procedure. Already we seen analysis, decomposition, pattern recognition, abstraction. Based on this 4, now we can able to solve a problem in an easy manner. This easy manner implementing a step by step is called an algorithm. Let's see this with an example. Aryan is a 6th class boy. He is living in a colony. In his colony, thousands of trees were cut down. Now he wants to plant a tree. Now just imagine, students, you are Aryan. You are studying 6th class. Now you want to plant a tree. How you will plant? Just to think, find the way. You have to plant how many trees? 1000 trees. You have to plant 1000 trees. And you are not having sufficient money. Now how you are going to plant 1000 trees? Just you think, you imagine. Now after imagining, you find a particular few ways, few methods how you are going to plant 1000 trees. In this way, many persons got 3-4 method to solve this problem. Few people's got 1 or 2 method. So in this all method, which method makes us easier? This is called computational thinking. In this method, which method will be easier, which method will be very effective way, we are going to solve this. This is called computational thinking. Let's see what Aryan done. Aryan collected regarding planting a tree details from many sources, the expert, online community and he collected seeds from donor and so many things he done. Aryan divided his work into small part and he finally succeed. How he succeed? Now we are going to see a step by step. First, analysis. In analysis, he analyzed 1,000 trees were cutted and environment is polluted. Now his goal is to plant 1,000 trees. In this way he can able to protect an environment. Second, decomposition. In decomposition, he divided his huge task of problem into small part. In this, already he is not having sufficient money, so he collected money from donor. While getting information from expert, he planted a small tree in a bags, small bags. Actually, seedling means it is nothing, it is a just a small plant. Seedling means a small plant. He is not having seedling, so 1,000 trees how he is going to plant? So seedling is costlier. Second, decomposition. Aryan divided his task into small part. He is not having money, so he started to collect money from the donors. And seedling means it is a small plant, so small plant is costlier. If it is a 1,000 plant, he is not having sufficient money, so he bought a seed and he planted in his home or other places and he made a seedling. After seedling, what things are necessary, he divided every problem into small part. Third, pattern recognition. Actually, Aryan first time he is going to do this work. He is not having any experience. When he collected the information, he didn't get properly. Example, now he want to plant a banyan tree in his full colony. Instead of banyan tree, if he is collecting information about neem tree or any other tree, the procedure is same for the seedling. So he can follow a same procedure and he can able to predict information which one will be a successful. This is called pattern recognition. Pattern recognition means a similarity. Fourth, abstraction. While searching information from the internet or collecting information from the expert, Aryan collected more information which are unnecessarily. So avoiding this all called abstraction. At last, algorithm. After this 4 ways, Aryan got with many ways. In this way, which one will be easier and more effective, which way will be successful, he can identify the way. After identifying this, step by step implementing is called algorithm. Again, I am saying computational thinking is a thought process. It teaches us how to solve a complex problem in real world. It involves 5 components, namely analysis, decomposition, pattern recognition, abstraction and algorithm. Students, thanks for watching and kindly complete your fair copy which are uploaded in lfsgidaonline.com.